Did you guys see Ice Spice getting into that fight at McDonald's? Oh, that's not what you want.
I mean, sometimes, listen, it's not, but sometimes it is.
Yeah, but can I tell you, that girl is so stupid. She goes on social media to try to justify her going up to Ice Spice and just saying that she called her a bitch or whatever.
Wait, Ice Spice called her a bitch?
Yes. I'm like, honey, you just went on social media to incriminate yourself. Now she knows who you are, and you're basically admitting to it. So now she can press all the charges.
So Ice Spice just sits in the Hollywood McDonald's without security?
That surprised me too.
I think she had security.
I know, Ibra. I don't think so. Because if she had security, they would have ran out at some point.
Well, that's also kind of what made me feel like this might be kind of promo too. Y'all know I be looking for promo. Ice Spice needs promo right now.
I don't know.
Ice Spice doesn't need promo right now?
No. I'm just trying to think if would that be promo?